For those doing further maths or additional maths in school, today I would like to discuss a question on composite functions. The question's on the screen. If f of x equal this, g of x equal this, h of x equal this, evaluate g naught, h naught, f of x. Now, to solve a question like this, or to simplify a question like this, the first thing you look at is the letter x. Now, you can see that this letter x here, there are three functions, g, h, and f. But this letter x is closer to f than to g and h. So you try to draw a cup under f of x. Do you understand? So because it's closer, okay? So the function that is closer to your x, draw a cup under it. So next I'm going to do is to replace it. So how do we replace it? So let me get a new paper. Okay, so to replace it now, I'm going to write g naught h. Now, instead of me to write this naught here, I'm going to open a bracket. So this f of x will go inside, okay? To go inside like this. Can you see it? The next step is I'll write this as g naught h. Now, instead of me to write f of x, I'm going to write what is here. Because f of x is 2 minus 3x, so I'm going to write 2 minus 3x. Can you see it? So after doing these, the next thing I'm going to do is to draw a cup under this thing here. Now, how do I do this? To do this now, let me write it here. Now, you have to recall that in this question, we have h of x as 2x plus 1, right? So how do we get h of this? So now, let me write note. Okay, so let's do h of 2 minus 3x. So if I'm you, I will draw a cup under this. Do you understand? So I'm going to write letter x on top. So if I write letter x on top, it will seem as if this question and this question are the same. Do you see? So you draw a cup under this and write letter x on it. So it will seem as if this is h of x and h of x. And remember, h of x, we have 2x plus 1. So that means anywhere I see this thing here, I'll be looking at h of x. So according to h of x, I'm having 2x plus 1. So 2x means 2 of this, right? So let me write it down. 2 of these. That's the mean of 2x. Can you see it? Then plus 1. Let me do it again. Now, this thing here, draw a curve and put x on top. So this looks like hx. According to hx, I have 2x first. Now 2x means 2 times this. So then finally plus 1 plus 1. So the answer now is 5 minus 6x. Can you see it? I have 5 minus 6x. So I'm going to bring it down here. So this will give me g. So instead of writing this naught, I'm going to open a bracket. I'm going to get this answer, which is 5 minus 6x. So now that I have this answer, next I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a cup under these. Okay. So I'm going to write the letter x on top. So when I write letter x on top, it will seem as if this question looks like gx. Can you see it? It will seem as if this question looks like gx. Can you see it? So now, once you put a cup here and put x here, it will seem as if this question looks like gx. And if you look at gx here, gx is 5 first. So that means this will give me 5 first, then minus. Then if you go back to gx, I'm saying, remember, I'm comparing this with gx, okay? So 5, you see 5 minus, then 6x. Now 6x means 6 bracket x, and my x is 5 minus 6x because it's my x now. So if I open the bracket, I'm going to get 5 minus 30 plus 36x, and the final answer is 36x minus 25, and that is all. So this is how we do composite function. If you have any question on this very topic, please pass the comment in the comment section, and bye for now.